Being fearless in communication can impact people around you. If you have this skill, you can really achieve any growth which you can think of. We have a Fearless Communicator series which is going on Monday and Thursday in my VIP community, wherein I share tips and ways by which we can become fearless communicators. And today's tip is, how is more important than what is said. Words which we say are important, impacts people, but the way we say them really impacts more harder. It is very truly said, body language is more honest than words. So, while having a conversation, we need to make sure that non-verbal communication of ours is appropriate. When we are communicating the four elements, which is positivity, interest, energy, and welcoming behavior, should be part of our communication. Now, how can we have these four elements in our communication? The first thing is, smile can make and break things and is the best way to show positivity. So make sure that when you are starting with the conversation, you wear a beautiful and appropriate smile to start off with the conversation, because it will reflect the positivity of yours to the listener. For showing interest, eye-to-eye contact is the best way. When having a conversation, we should have eye-to-eye contact with the people, because if we are not having eye-to-eye contact, we might sound disinterested, distracted, and the interest of the other person will also not be there in the conversation. Ultimate result will be the conversation will not be beneficial for both of us. Energy is a very important element of a conversation, and for that, straight body postures makes the difference. If we are talking with a straight body posture, the energy level will definitely be high of ours as compared to having limping or laid back attitude while having a conversation. Body postures are also very important because they show our welcoming behavior to the listener. If we are sitting with crossed body posture, which means crossed arms, then the other person may see our disagreement or may see our disinterest in the conversation. So having open body postures shows welcoming behavior. Make sure while having a conversation, we have all the four elements, which are positivity through smile, interest through eye contact, energy through straight body postures, and welcoming behavior through open body postures are part of our conversation. If these are part of our conversation, we can definitely have a higher impact onto the listeners. I hope the video is helpful for you. If you like the video, do like it, share it, comment below with your takeaways, because that is something I am looking forward to. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.